hotel room, and I'm going guys, look at that. Leave a like if you're enjoying your 4th of July. I am at South Padre Island. And I was gonna go to Corvallis. Whoa. Dang. Sorry guys if I'm flipping it over, but angle. Right. Guys, we're about to go. I don't know if I'm gonna make a part 2. I might bring my phone and go to the beach to show you guys what it's like. Leave a like on this video if you want me to make a YouTube video at South Padre Island, which is where I'm at now, and if you want me to go to the beach and record what it's like. Leave a like on this video if you want that. No, I know. I just got new subscribers. Thank you for the support. I didn't even think I was gonna get 1 subscriber. I was super amazed when I even got to 4. Now I got 3 more. And leave another like, and other people, leave a like if you want me to do a tour of my hotel room. I'll just show you the outside, okay? And this is my door.
Sí.
108. Has another balcony over there. I'm at the Ramada hotel room. Gosh, sorry I'm flipping the camera. Bye guys, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace out.